we are trying to figure out how to find a 3-person committee from 5 married couples, and nobody can be married on the committee. Well, first let's figure out how many ways can we choose 5 couples. Well, order doesn't matter, so that's going to be a combination of 5 choose 3. We got 5 couples, and we got a 3-man committee. So that's going to be 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 5 minus 3 factorial. And that's 5 factorial over 3 factorial, 2 factorial. And that's 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 2, because 2 factorial is 2 times 1. 3 factorials cancel, and 2 we're going to 4 twice, so that is 10. So 10 ways to choose those 5 couples. Now okay, put this aside for now. We've got a 3-man committee, and we're gonna send either a husband or a wife from each couple. So for how many choices, we're going to use the fundamental rule of counting is what we're going to do. How many choices do we have for this first position on the committee? Well, we have 2. Either, the husband goes or wife goes. And then we have the same thing for this and the same for this. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 10 times 8 is 80.